Be Here is great for handling phone calls. The headset has controls which allow you to answer, reject, hang up, or redial without touching the phone, and of course volume control during the call as well. You can also activate the headset's slow down speech feature called Easy Listen for mobile phone calls. When you receive a phone call, the headset will vibrate and play a tone. Answer an incoming call with a short press, less than 1 second, on the middle button of the left-hand control box. You can end the call with another short press on the same button. Reject an incoming call with a long press, more than 1 second, on the same button. Redial to the last number which was dialed from the phone with 2 short presses on the same middle button. The volume increase button is located at the top of the left-hand control box. Increase call volume either by pressing it continuously or with short presses. The volume decrease button is located at the bottom of the left-hand control box. Decrease the call volume either by pressing it continuously or with short presses. Sometimes, when talking to someone on the phone, it's hard to make out what they're saying. Either they're talking too fast or maybe they have a slight accent. The Easy Listen feature slows down phone speech to improve your understanding without changing the natural flow of the conversation. To learn how to use this feature, watch this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.